Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Carter's credit cards account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Carter's credit cards account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Carter's credit card login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. From the search results, tap on login link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of your Carter Credit Cards account. Now to log into your account, enter your email address and password associated with your Carter's Credit Cards account and tap on Sign in and Apply Now option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Keep Me Signed in case you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on the link that says Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Carter's credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.